Hey guys, it's Maymay and welcome to our Scripture Stamp of the Month Club reveal. And I know I say it every month, but I really mean it this month. This set is just a wonderful, lovely set that we've been trying to pull off for a very long time. And there's some like reasons we couldn't pull it off, but now we figured out how to do it, and I'll show you what I mean in a second. I'm hiding a secret about the set here, but this set is for our Scripture Club members. It's already been mailed to you guys today when you're seeing this video. And if you want to pick this set up, we put the extras from the first mailing in the store, so you can still pick those up. There'll be a link in the description. But if you want to get them at a discounted rate, that's why you join the club, because you get them at $1 cheaper and you pay no shipping that way. All right, guys, you ready for this? I'm in love with it. Now, it's going to look like nothing at first. Look, you're like, oh, it's a bunch of separated florals. No, it's not. What this stamp set is called Floral Layered Cross, and I love this set. I want you to look right here. This first image, it are the leaves in a cross shaping. Do you see this? And then the second are the first layer of flowers, and then the second layer of flowers, and then all your fill-ins down here. Not to mention the sentiments. Let's talk about the sentiments real quick, and then I'm going to show you what this looks like completed. So the first one is Love Never Fails. This has been requested so many times to have just a simple Love Never Fails, mostly so people can put this on the back of their cards. I have one person in particular, Miss Tina, who loves this saying, so there you go, love. And this one says, So Loved, John 3:16. This one says, The cross was enough. I love this for our Easter cards. And it's really interesting because when you see this cross stamped, you're going to be like, oh yeah, that cross and that sentiment are enough for a card as well. It's gorgeous. This one in this gorgeous handwriting says, My love for you will not be shaken. That's from Isaiah 54:10. And then we also gave you the word amazing and two words to go with it. So amazing grace and amazing love. I thought those would be perfect with the cross. Now here's the thing. I wanted to give you a floral cross that was not just 3 colors, but the problem is when I'm constrained to a 4x6 set, I can't really give you layer upon layer upon layer upon layer upon layer, right? To give you 5 colors. So what we did was we gave you the 3 main layers, this one, and this one. And then using these 4 little pieces down here, I'm going to show you how to add additional colors to your cross. Now you actually don't have to. These are kind of bonus pieces. You can just stamp this, this, and this and get your cross, and that's fine. But I love adding 5 colors, or maybe, making it a 6-color cross by using these pieces here. Let me show you on the back. We also added this image. When the cross is stamped, it will look like this. It's not going to look like this every single time, and here's what I mean. You may stamp your rose a little lower. You may stamp one layer a little here or a little there. It still works because it's a floral cross, and it's not meant to be perfect lines. This is an easy layering stamp, okay? So let me show you one that I think is just gorgeous. This is the very first one I did. I pulled out some inks, pulled out some VersaFines, and I did this. And so this is what I wanted to show you. I want you to be able to do more than just 3 colors, all right? So my first color is this outer layer. Let me get my pokey tool so I can point to things here. Here it is. This first layer, these leaves, that's this dark green here that you see that kind of lays in the background. So you stamp that one first. Then the second layer with the rose, this is where you kind of line things up. You want to work with the rose. And you'll notice in the sample on the back, the rose is a little higher, and I did mine a little lower, but you can play with that. So you line up the rose, and then it's this color, this one, and this one with that stamp. Okay, then you have your last layer here, and it's this flower set, and you can see here I did them in this kind of peachy color. Don't worry, I'm going to show you this in a second, all the colors and everything I used. So there's the peach all the way down, all right? Then we go to our filler pieces, all right? So using the bigger flower, I have it here, 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 all around, right? Just as filler. Then I take the smaller, on this one I didn't use the smaller flower. There's a smaller one as well. Then I take this dot. Y'all know I'm big on these dots, right? This dot is this pale green that's just snuck in here and there to give more texture. And then finally, the flower center. Now I want to point something out. On this one, I used the black center. On the one I'm going to show you in the demo, I use brown. I decided to dial it back a little bit, although I think that those centers are what really make this pop and really give it the shape. So that is layered across. Isn't it gorgeous? And again, you can see how I couldn't give you 5 layers to just stamp, 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 stamp and get this. But by giving you the 3 main layers and the filler pieces, we were able to give you what looks like a 5 or 6 color, or ever how many colors you want to use cross. Also, almost missed this little guy. There's a heart right there. We thought that heart would go well with this set if you just wanted to do maybe a heart with the love never fails, or any of the sayings like a heart with love, etc. All right, so let me show you how to make this happen. So in those 2 little clips that I just showed you, I showed you how to do this guy and this one. And you might think it's crazy to use these kind of colors, but I really wanted to show you how you could really mix this up. And what would be really fun to do is, if you have a paper pack, is to kind of take a piece of paper and pull ink colors to coordinate, and then do your stamp to match your paper pack. I think that'd be pretty. And I want to show you how you don't have to do just, you know, pale pastel colors. I think this would be gorgeous done in like a monotone as well. So if you did it like black, a dark dark gray and then a pale gray and just did it. I think it'd be beautiful like that. There's no telling what all you guys will come up with. This one was one I did using oxide inks. I don't love my choice of colors on this one. It's still pretty, and I like how it turned out as the cross. And actually in person, it's prettier than I'm seeing it on screen, because on screen, this green right here is a little brighter than it actually is in person. It's a little more olive in person. But you can play around and try things out. And one thing I think would be cool is if you went to Pinterest and you looked at those color hue pictures that kind of give you ideas of what colors go together. It'd be cool to pull some of those and then do your colors based on that. So there you go. That is our stamp set. And as most always, not always, but as most always, you know there's going to be a contest wrapped around this stamp set. I love this stamp set that much. So if you would like to be a part of our contest, here's all you do. You create a project using this stamp set, you snap a photo of your project, and you head to our customer gallery on Maymay Made It, and you upload your photo. That's all you got to do. Once you've got it uploaded, that becomes your entry. So last month's winner is Marilyn Cologne, or Colon. I'm not sure exactly how to say your last name, but I'll have your information or your name in the description below. So if I'm not saying it correctly, you can read it and know that it's you. And we will be emailing you to let you know how to use your $50 gift card. And that's what we give away, a $50 gift card in the contest. I'm so excited to see what you guys are going to do with this set. I have a feeling, like I can think of certain people in our club that post over on our Facebook and on our customer gallery. I can just think of some things that you're going to want to do with this set. And I'm just going to wait and see what you do. So there you go, guys. I hope you enjoy the floral layered cross as much as we do. And again, can't wait to see what you make. Thanks so much for watching. Oh, I don't know if I said this. If you'd like to join our club, information for that is in the description below. Thanks so much. Until next time. Bye-bye.